What's going on, everybody? We're back today again with another New York ATM model trade where we caught tier 2 longs on gold. I have a few things indicated here. First, of course, we have our new day opening gap where Asia opened. Price traded higher, all of Asia, all of London. We have midnight's opening price. We have London's highs, 8:30's opening price, 10 a.m. And here's where we look to take longs on gold. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. Alright, as you can see, we're getting ready to take some longs on gold, just marking out sell side. Have a
Order
position
filled.
ready, and we just entered. Price is currently trading at a super discount. It's cheap on the day because we're way below midnight and 8:30's opening prices. So as mentioned in the New York ATM model, we're looking to catch a reversal to the upside. We're not looking to trade any continuations to the downside. We're treating this as a Judas swing or betrayal. If you know, you know. So far we're in a little bit of a profit. I'm marking out this blue shaded area as a breaker block that I'm looking to take higher as long as price finds some steam at this level. We're also indicated that we're trading below the new day opening gap, and we wanted to see sellers get trapped underneath the new day opening gap, which looks like it's starting to happen now. We have stop loss just below that low, a tick below that low, and maybe one or two times we almost got stopped out, but we knew where our stop was. We were comfortable with the risk, and now it's just patience and see what price has to offer. I have a few order blocks indicated in this lower time frame view. Looking to find some steam above those order blocks. Again, price almost tagged us one more time. Indicated that with the red dot. But again, not nervous, not anxious. We know where our stops are. We know what the risk is, despite taking a small loss earlier. So indicating here that we're looking for speed above this short-term high. Have a small fair value gap that looks to be mitigated at the moment. Also want to indicate that we're after 11:30, so technically the window has closed, but our entry was just prior to the closing of this window. So all that means is I'm going to just be a lot more strategic in managing my risk, knowing that price could easily reverse and continue selling to the downside. Price is finding some support within that new day opening gap. Looking to see if it could just trade higher. This trade definitely requires some patience. Came very close to stop loss a few times as mentioned, but as price started trading away in our favor, just kept managing risk. I believe stop loss is at break even right now. Could be mistaken. But still, price trading above that blue shaded area, which was the order block we had marked. Looking for speed out of this level. Once we get some speed out of this level, we're going to start trailing stop loss up to negate some risk. And again, this is on the 1 minute time frame. It is sped up. I like how price is failing to close back below the new day opening gaps low. It's wicking it, but notice how the bodies aren't closing beneath that gray dotted line, the new day opening gaps low. I think at this point we're floating about 70 or 80 pips in profit. Great time to move stop loss to entry or in profit. Definitely a good time to take some partials as well. Took a partial right there.
Order filled.
To the trade and move stop loss up to mitigate more risk. That buy side level above is about 1040, I believe the time was. Look, we're using that as a draw on liquidity. Essentially, anybody who was short from 10:30 to about 11:30, we're looking to target their stops. Looking for speed out of there, out of this level. Trading back above sell side, indicated a new order block that we're looking to take higher. Dragging everything across just to stay consistent. Price looks to be finding support in this fair value gap, as well as on top of this order block. So stacking these lower time frame PDRAs is giving me more vindication to stay in the trade. Looking for some speed out of this level. If we don't get it, I believe I'm going to trail stop losses up. Continue negating some risk. Trail stop loss even higher. And it looks like we're about to get taken out right about now. Yeah, price is just starting to stall on this level. Great time to just take profit completely or take more partials. Again, stops are right below that low.
Order filled.
And stops hit. Good game.